In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use GoHighLevel landing pages. I'll show you how to create and customize a landing page within the GoHighLevel platform. First, you'll need to have a GoHighLevel account. Once you've created your account, you'll want to either switch to one of your existing sub-accounts or create a new one if you don't have one yet. When setting up a new sub-account, you'll have the option to select a snapshot, such as a dentist or chiropractor template. If your business type matches one of the available snapshots, I recommend selecting it since it will include pre-made templates that can save you time. After you've logged into a specific sub-account, click on Sites. For creating landing pages, I suggest using the Funnels section. Although there is also a Websites tab, the Funnels area typically provides more tailored options. You can also create a new funnel by clicking Create New Funnel. From there, you can choose from their templates or use AI to build one for you. For example, if you're in the beauty and fashion industry, you'll find templates designed specifically for that niche, but you're not limited. You can use any funnel template you like. You can also filter templates by type, such as an About page, Checkout page, Event, or Newsletter. Tags help you identify what each template is for. For example, if you're creating an event landing page for a marketing agency, you can select both event and marketing agency as filters to narrow down the templates. Suppose I choose something like Home Services. I can preview a template to see if I like the layout. If it suits my needs, I just click Continue, and the template gets added to my GoHighLevel sub-account. You can also build a landing page from scratch, although that can be time-consuming. In such cases, I recommend using their AI feature. Once you've selected a template, it redirects you to the editor. It's important to first consider whether most of your visitors will access the page via desktop or mobile. If it's mobile, be sure to customize the layout accordingly. For instance, if something looks off on mobile, take the time to adjust it for a better experience. From here, you can connect your own domain so that your page isn't using a GoHighLevel URL. You can see a preview of how this would look. When someone clicks Reserve your free spot now, for instance, the action might not work properly at first because no form has been added. If you want users to sign up for something, you'll need to add a form. To do that, click on Pop-up Settings. You'll see a message that no forms exist yet. Click on that message and you might find options like a coaching or booking form. If you already have a form, you can select it from there. If you want to create a new form, save your current progress and go back. From the main menu, choose Forms and then open the form builder. You can start with a template or build from scratch. There are templates like Contact Us or Generic Registration, and you can again select a category and tag. For instance, if you're in health and wellness, you'll see several relevant form templates. Choose one, click on it, and then continue to add it as one of your available forms. Once you've done that, you can customize the form by editing the questions, like multiple choice options. Click on elements to make changes, and then click Integrate when you're ready. You can choose to embed the form in a funnel or an external site. Select the style, pop-up, inline, slide in, or sticky sidebar. Then copy the embed code or the form link. If you want to integrate it with an existing website, use the appropriate embed option. In this case, I'll add the form to my funnel. Go back to your funnel, click on the funnel you want to edit, and head to the pop-up settings. Now, where it said there were no forms, you can select the one you just created and it will appear there. You can then save and preview the funnel to see how it looks. If anything doesn't look right, simply go back and customize it. For example, you can click on any text to edit it or change colors directly in the editor. The landing page builder is quite intuitive and user-friendly. At this point, you have a functioning landing page based on a selected template, which you've now customized. When someone clicks Reserve your free spot, the pop-up with your form will now appear as expected. Now you know how to use GoHighLevel to create a fully functional landing page. Building landing pages has never been easier with GoHighLevel. Want to try it yourself? There's a 14-day free trial link in the description. Give it a go and start creating your own pages today.